I'm gonna be doing a greenish, bluish seascape painting here. So let's get right to it. Talking a little bit about my painting here. Was using a lot of palette knife. I was using my paper towel to keep it, smudge it out. I want to make the sky a little lighter. Work on this corner here. I want to work on this corner, get this a little better. So right now I'm kind of excited to start adding my teal color. I kind of wanted this actually to be a teal seascape, so the bottom's gonna be mostly teal seascape. My sky's gonna be a little lighter color, so I got my main, like, really aggressive colors in there. So I'm just gonna start with teal and go lighter and lighter and lighter to get my kind of the look I'm hoping for. So I'm gonna go back, try something new. I got my colors kind of where I want them, but I want it to be like a little more blended into each other. So I'm gonna use a towel here and try to blend it in, because it's kind of got my colors where I want them. I just like to be more even. I'm going to start with the dark colors and I'm going to go lighter. I'm just going to do maybe I'll start in the center here. Just kind of, it's dried a little bit, but maybe I should just start over here. Just I feel like my browns make the biggest splash in here. I don't want the browns. I really didn't want too much brown in here. So I got that a little more even out. Call this one steak. I don't want it too much. Don't want it too blended. That's really not what I want, but I think if I go over it with white, then blend it in with white, real light. I don't want it too much, not too much blended. So now I want to go my white. This is too spiky here. I gotta think this one. So now, still kind of got my colors, but I want it get the bottom half dark, light colored. So I'm gonna get a new paper towel, or newer. I'm just gonna take this white, pull it apart. My paper towel is really dry. Don't want any dark colors in there in my center. I want this all to be really light, especially in the center. No, I think what I'm going to do is take a brush and even go get it a little more. Brush or a palette knife, I don't know yet. Get more of the lighter color in there. I want it to have a little bit of character in there. Ups and downs. I even want a little bit of white over here, or blended. I don't want everything to look the same. I know this over here is not light enough for me. But it does look pretty good when you stand back. This to be. Yeah, the further you stand back, the better it looks. It's getting there. I'm gonna keep working on it.